Hello, my name is Scarlett Amaryllis Paris Caroline Suda. Welcome to our special interview on TVPSS Nyegang Mansang SK Melugu. Today is a memorable day as SK Melugu celebrates 2024 Hypers Appreciation Ceremony. The highlight of the day is the presence of our special guest, Yang Berhormat Dato' Mong Anak Dagang, who graciously officiated the ceremony and presented the certificates and awards. Now, we have the honor of speaking with Yang Berhormat Dato' Mong Anak Dagang. Let's hear his opinions about today's event. Thank you for joining us, Yang Berhormat Dato'.
You're most welcome.
Today has been a wonderful celebration of our achievement. What do you think about the event?
Well, thank you very much for the opportunity to be interviewed in your, I think the only one in Sarawak, you have this kind of, I would say TV, yeah? Yeah, thank you very much. Today event is outstanding. It is very good event, well organized, well managed, and it is appropriate to do it to honor all the students that have achieved outstanding results both in examination as well as in co-curriculum activities. So I'm very pleased to come today to your school to appreciate the event. It is indeed a very great event. Well done.
Thank you for a kind word, Yang Berhormat Dato'. We are very happy that you enjoyed the event. Yang Berhormat Dato', during the event, you had the chance to see our talents and achievements. What advice would you give to keep us stay strong and never give up?
Well, I would like to congratulate once again for those people that have achieved outstanding in academic and co-curriculum. Now, that achievement is not the end of everything. You need to continue to struggle. You need to improve yourself. So if you today you achieve one subject in the academic, you got to struggle for another subject to make more achievement for yourself. That is for your own self-development. Now, I believe with the guidance of your teachers who are very dedicated, I believe a lot more for this year, a lot more people, a lot more students will be able to achieve a good result in the academic field, yeah? And as well as in the co-curriculum activities, right? So you have to struggle very hard. You have to work extra hard, right?
That is very inspiring, Dato'. We will keep this word in our heart. Yang Berhormat Dato', we know you are very supportive of education. What are the development and contribution that you would like to bring to SK Melugu?
Well, education is very important. Knowledge is the most important thing in life. So when you are given the opportunity in school, please make use of it. Make use of the opportunity to learn from your teachers, to interact among each other, to develop your relationship with each other. So it is very important. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I would like to see all the schools, not only SK, in Bukit Bunan, to achieve high or outstanding result in both academic and co-curriculum. But for Melugu, you have a very good guru besar, your headmaster, which is very, I would say, plus all the staff, supporting staff. You have a very good team. This school has a very good team. Now, like what I said, I will try to support those people that have achieved certain level of achievement, both in school, achievement in the physical or the academic. Now, your Guru Besar request for certain project for the school, I will consider it, and I will develop not only I will develop all the school in Bukit Buganan, because there are a lot of lacking, particularly in the infrastructure like school, building, and all this kind of thing. So that need to be developed. So, but in this case, you have everything is very excellent, I would say. So we are very lucky to study here. Anyway, I try my best to assist the school to develop whatever unique. Like what I said, not only in other school also. Right?
Thank you so much, Yang Berhormat Dato'. Your support means so much to us.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again, Yang Berhormat Dato' Mor Anadagang, for taking the time to join us and share your opinion. It has been an honor to have you here today. To everyone watching, let's continue working hard to make SK Melugu shine brighter in the years to come. Nyegang Mansang SK Melugu.
Peradaban Prasekolah tahun 6 bersama guru-guru dan pembantu urusan murid ke Dewan Serbaguna Sekolah Kebangsaan Melugu. Terima kasih 31 Bukit Buganan dengan diiringi yang berusaha menjadi tanah awam guru besar Sekolah Kebangsaan Melugu.
Hello, good morning, madam.
Hello, good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. In your opinion, What do you think about our school SK Melugu?
I love the buildings. It's beautiful. The teacher are kind too.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hello, good morning, madam. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome to SK Melugu, and we are very honored to have you joining us in Majlis Apresiasi SK Melugu. In your opinion, what do you think about SK Melugu?
The building are colorful, the teacher are also kind and very supportive.
Hello, good morning, Akil. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you today?
I'm fine too. First of all, congratulations for being rewarded as Tokoh Murid Hypers SK Melugu.
Thank you.
What is your key success in study?
I'm always studies at night, and the most important thing, no gadgets and smartphones. That's all.
Thank you, Akil, for your response.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning, Zahra.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. First of all, congratulations for being rewarded as Anugerah Putri Nilam Hypers, Anugerah Kecemerlangan Akademik Hypers SK Melugu, and Tokoh Murid Hypers SK Melugu.
Thank you, Ida.
What is your key success in study?
My key to success in study is, first, we must studying hard, and then we must respect our teachers. Last but not least is, we must be kind to others. That's all.
Thank you, Zahra.
You're welcome.